This maximum power transfer theorem, that is MPTT. Okay, MPTT, that is maximum power transfer theorem for DC network, DC circuit. Okay. Now suppose that is plus minus Vs, a voltage source represent like this one, and resistance corresponding to this one, and here a load is connected here. And what about load? That is RL, that is RL. Okay, that is RL. Simply a voltage source like this one, and practical voltage source resistance also represent in series. Okay, now our motto, we are focused on what about power, maximum power corresponding to load. Okay, so what about current? Current I this is equal to, you know that Vs divided by Rs plus RL. Okay, now what about P? What about power? Load power. Load power P is written as, that is I square into RL. Clear? Load power is written as I square into RL. So what about I? Vs square upon Rs plus RL to the whole square into RL. Okay, our motto. Clear? What is the meaning of this one? Load power like this one. Okay, for maximum power transfer to the load, if you determine PL max, then dP by dRL, this is equal to 0. Okay, so if you differentiate, that is PL, load power, that's why. Now dPL divided by dRL is written as, first of all Vs square is constant, that's why divided by RL divided by Rs plus RL to the whole square. Okay, so V square into RL into Rs plus RL 2 times minus of, if differentiate this one, then we got Rs plus RL to the whole square whole divided by Rs plus RL to the whole power 4, this is equal to 0. Okay, now Rs plus RL is common, then we got 2RL minus Rs minus RL. Okay, so we got Rs plus RL, and second one RL minus Rs, this is equal to 0. RL is not equal to minus Rs. Why? Because of this one is a resistance, that's why. So only possible RL, this is equal to Rs. Okay, clear? So PL maximum, we got RL, this is equal to Rs. Clear or not? Okay, so first of all make it. So PL max is written as Vs square into RL is also written as Rs divided by 2 Rs to the whole square. Finally we got Vs square upon 4 Rs, that is PL max. What about current at maximum power corresponding? Vs divided by 2 Rs. Clear? Now, but corresponding to question and second one also determine, first of all, input power. Input power is I into I square into Rs plus RL. Okay, input power, that is P input, is given written as I square into like this one. So what about efficiency? Okay, in case of what about efficiency? Efficiency is written as in case of maximum power. If any doubt, written as in case of MPT. What about efficiency? P output corresponding P max divided by P in. So P max is written as Vs square upon 4 Rs, and this one is written as Rs plus RLs. This one is also Vs square upon 2 Rs. So Vs square upon 2 Rs, we got 0.5 means 50%. That is 50%. Sometime asking corresponding that type question, maximum efficiency, that is 50%. For maximum power corresponding to what about efficiency, that is 50%. Means very poor efficiency. If you use maximum power for any machine like transformer or any machine, if you use the maximum power, then you got poor efficiency. We got a lot of 50% losses. Okay, that's why always if more effective maximum efficiency corresponding to rated load. Okay, so that's why not use practically. Clear? Now next target, first of all make it. After that we have focus on now, but practically question not given like this one. Question always like that is network, and here load is connected RL. Okay, that is A and B. Our motto, determine max RL at maximum MPT. Okay, question is given, what about RL? I know that if question are given like this one, then first of all I know that a linear bilateral network can be represented at any two terminal, can represent like VTH and RTH, that is RTH and make like this AB, A and B. First of all open, and this network represent like ZTH and that is VTH. After that this one connect RL and RL. Clear? Now RTH same as source RS, and this one represent like this one. It means same formula apply here. Then PL max this be equal to, what about Vs? Vs is VTH, that is VTH to the whole square divided by 4 Rs. Rs means RTH. So basically our motto, determine RTH. Okay, so make y written VTH divided by 4 RTH. Okay, if you both are compare in this circuit, then Rs this be equal to RTH and VTH this be equal to Vs. So make like this one. After that we have focus on some numerical problems corresponding to that. Okay, now our motto, determine, find the maximum power delivered to load RL and also determine RL. What about RL? Okay, corresponding to maximum power transfer. Okay, So how can you determine it? First of all, you can do it with the help of lot of method. This is RL. Okay, so first of all, removing RL, I know that I have already say a network corresponding to this one, a network corresponding to this one. Suppose that is A and that is B. Okay, and load is connected here, that is RL. If RL is removed, then our motto, if you determine RL corresponding to maximum power, then first of all this whole circuit make like Thevenin's equivalent, means voltage source and VTH, that is RTH and VTH, source voltage and resistance represent A and that is B. After that we connect RL. Okay, then I know that for maximum power RL is equal to RTH, so we have determined RL. After that RL is fine, then P max this will equal to VTH square divided by 4 times RTH. Clear? So first of all, this whole circuit make like this one. Okay, so there are two type method. First one with the help of source transformation, or second one determine VTH one by one. First time determine VTH, after that we determine RTH, then put this value, and after that we got, okay, RL. Okay, and P max also. No, now, but here with the help of source transform, our more in I have interested corresponding to source transformation. How can do it? So first of all, this one and this one are removed because of determined V of AB. Suppose that is equivalent circuit corresponding to AB. Okay, so this is plus minus 20 volt, that is first of all make like this one. After that is 2 ohm, and this one plus minus, that is 10 volt. Okay, now that is 5 ohm, and that is 6 ampere, and our motor corresponding to A and that is B. Okay, you can determine first of all if this one is converted into voltage source. Okay, if this one is converted corresponding to voltage source, then I know that direction of current is, if downward, that is 6 ampere, resistance R is equal to 5 ohm, then it is converted minus plus, and resistance 5 ohm and 6 into 5, that is 30 volt. Okay, so first of all, if this circuit corresponding to this one, you can remove and attach here, that is 5 ohm, and after that is minus plus, that is 30 volt. Okay, clear? So first of all, this whole phenomena is removing, and this one, if moving on the circuit corresponding to AB, that is 2 ohm, and this one is minus plus, that is 10 volt. Okay, that is A and that is B. 3 ohm and 5 ohm both are series, that's why you can make 3 plus 4, 5, that is 8 ohm. Clear? That is A and that is B. Okay, if any doubt, then make plus minus 20 volt, and here minus to connect positive terminal, and this one is negative. Okay, so that is 30. 20 plus 30, polarity both are same direction, positive positive, so that's why you can say that is 50 volt. 30 plus 20, that is 50 volt. Okay, that is 50 volt. Now our motto, determine equivalent across AB. Our motto, this one is equivalent like that. Okay, So how can change again? If you end out, first of all, if this one is converted to source transform with the help of source transform into current source and voltage source, okay, and if you end out, then tell me simply that is A and that is B. Clear or not? Our motor corresponding to this one. So this one and this one, clear? So first of all, this one and this one converted into current source. So this one 50 divided by 8, that is 50 divided by 8, and that is what about resistance, 8 ohm. Now another way, what about direction of current, that is downward, 10 by 2, that is 5 ampere. Simply represent like this one. And what about resistance, that is 2 ohm, and this one, that is A and that is B. Okay, 8 and 2 are parallel, and this one and this one both are direction is opposite. So 50 by 8 means you can say that 25 by 4 are 6.25. Clear or not? 25 clear, that is 6.25 ampere. Direction of that is upward and this one is downward. So net current in upward direction you make like 6.25 minus 5, that is 1.25 ampere. Okay, and 8 and 2, 8 into both are parallel, so that is 10, 5, 8 by 5. Okay, 8 by 5. What about finally we got, that is 1.6 ohm. Clear or not? That is A and that is B. Now again convert into voltage source and resistance, that is A final 1.25 into 1.6, this equal to 2, that is 2 volt. And what about resistance, that is 1.6. So it means that is 2 ohm and that is 2 volt. Clear or not? So RL is written as RL is 2 ohm. So P max V square, that is 2 square divided by 4 into RL or RTH, that is 2. So that is 0.5 watt is the final answer. Make it. Okay, and you can solve another method. This is the first method with the help of source transformation. Method first. Now this question solve another method. First of all, clear or not? You can solve another method also. You can also with the help of conventional method. You can solve this with the help of conventional method. How can solve it? It is clear or not? 8 into 2, 16 divided by, clear, that is clear. Okay, so now you can do it another method also. Sorry, that is 1.6. Sorry, this is that is 2 volt and that is 1.6 ohm, and here 1.6. Silly mistake here. So 4 into 1.6. 1 divided by 1.6, that is 0.625 watt. This is the final answer. Clear or not? Now I can solve another method also, conventional method. Simply if you solve this question with the help of conventional method, that is resistance 5 ohm given and that is 6 ampere is given. Clear? Very simple. Now our motto, first of all determine method second, that is conventional method. Method second, how can solve it? First of all, determine VTH. After that, we determine RTH. Most of the students follow this method. Okay. Now, how can resolve it? First of all, our motto determine VTH. VTH means voltage across. If you determine VTH means first of all open load terminal. After that, make like this that type. Okay. How can determine VTH? VTH means if you determine this current, then this voltage and this voltage, sum of this voltage. Okay. Apply KVL in this loop and find out VTH. Okay. So very simple. How can determine current in this loop? Suppose that, let us consider that is current I. Current I flow from here. Okay. Now at that terminal, current I, suppose that is I1. That is I1. Apply KCL at this node. Incoming current I, outgoing I1 plus 6. So I1 is equal to I minus 6 ampere. Clear? So I1 is equal to, apply KVL from positive to negative. So minus to plus, minus 20 volt plus 3 into I plus 2 into I minus 10 plus 5 into I1. This is equal to 0. So that is minus 30 plus 5I plus 5I1 is I minus 6. This is equal to 0. So 10I minus 30, that is 60. So I this equal to 6 ampere. I this equal to 6 ampere. Now voltage across V of AB means VTH. Minus to plus, minus VTH plus 2 into I is 6 minus 10, this is equal to 0. So what about VTH? VTH is, that is 12 minus 10, that is 2 volt. Same answer, that is 2 volt. Clear or not? VTH is, we got with the help of conventional method, VTH both both VTH are same. Method first with the help of source transformer, second one with the help of conventional method. Sometimes conventional method is easy, but most of the time conventional method are hard. Okay, depend upon circuit also. Now this is very easy as compared to source transformation. So it depend upon the circuit, which method you use. Okay. So first of all, this is clear. VTH is equal to 2 volt. Now next target is RTH. What about, how can determine RTH? If you determine RTH, means first of all independent sources are open circuited. Always practice for both method. Okay. So that is 20 short circuited, this one is short circuited, and this is open circuited. Why? Because voltage source, I know that I have already said that how to determine RTH. If you determine RTH means all independent source reduced to be 0. If voltage is 0 means that is short circuited, and if current is 0 means that is current is open circuited. Clear or not? So this one is short circuited, that's why 3 ohm, and this one short, and this one is 2 ohm and 10 volt again short, and that is 5 ohm, and this is open, that is 5 ohm, that is 2 ohm, that is 3 ohm. Our motto determine AB, voltage, RTH across AB. Now 3 and 5 both are series, so you can say that 8 ohm, that is 8 ohm, and that is 2 ohm, and this one, that is A and B. Okay. So finally RTH. So RTH is written as 8 into 2 divided by 10. Finally 1.6 ohm. Both are same thing. After that you make like this one and determine Pmax. Also Pmax again 2 square divided by 4 into 1.6 to the whole square. Same result we got from both method. Okay. So first of all make it. After that we focus on another question. Now last one like this one. Okay, so our motto, determine first one, obtain the Thevenin's equivalent across AB terminal. What about AB terminal? This is the AB terminal. Our motto, first of all, determine equivalent impedance, equivalent circuit corresponding to AB, Thevenin's equivalent. So how can determine Thevenin's equivalent? I know that we first of all determine VTH across AB, after that determine RTH. Okay, so how can determine VTH? With the help of two methods. First of all, with the help of source transformation. Second one, conventional method with the help of nodal, mesh and whatever, lot of analysis, nodal analysis, mesh analysis, loop analysis, you can say KVL, KCL, whatever. Okay, so current divider rule, voltage divider rule, lot of method are present. So you follow whatever way the method. But our motto, determine first of all make, that is 4 ampere, and that is 2 ampere, and that is 4, and that is 6, and this is 2 ampere. Okay, and that is plus minus 20 volt. Okay, that is A and that is B, that is A and B. So how can solve it? First of all, our motto, Thevenin's equivalent corresponding to V of AB. So how can determine V of AB? Okay, I know that. What about current? No current passing through here, not in this branch, not in this branch. Why? Because this one is a open circuit. That's why this circuit is very simple, and that is 4 ampere. This total no current here, I is 0. So 4 ampere is passing through only 4. What about this terminal? 4 is incoming at 4 ampere. Here no current passing through, because of this is open circuit. That's why. So 4 ampere, totally 4 ampere going through 2 ohm. Now same procedure here, 2 ampere and here 2 ampere. So finally apply KVL. Apply KVL in this loop, that is plus minus VTH. So minus to plus, minus 20. Direction of current, plus to minus. So minus 2 into 4 plus 4 into 0 minus plus minus 6 into 2 plus VTH. This will equal to 0. So what about VTH? VTH is written as 20 plus 8 plus 12. Okay, that is 28. This one is a 40 volt. Clear or not? If any doubt, then tell me and solve again. 4 minus 20, clear for 0, and this is 6 into 2. So clear cut. 28, finally 40 volt. 40 volt is the answer corresponding to VTH. Now next target is, what about RTH? If you determine RTH, then all independent sources reduced to be 0. Our motto RTH. How can determine RTH? If you determine RTH, then this one is 0, this one is 0. So 4 ohm, 2 ohm, this one is 6 ohm, and this is short circuited. So finally A and B. So what about RTH? Simply RTH is 2 plus 4 plus 6 are all series. So 4 plus 6, 10 plus 2, 12. So final representation corresponding to this one, V of AB, is RTH, that is 12 ohm, and VTH, this is positive, that's why I represent like this one. Otherwise negative, then upper plate negative and lower plate is positive, that is 40 volt. Okay, that is A and that is B. Very simple. Okay, this is the conventional method. I have solved this one with the help of conventional method. If you solve corresponding to source transformation, you can also solve. Now method second. Method second. How can solve with the help of source transformation? First of all, make that is 4 ampere. This is 2 ohm, and this is 4. This is 6. 4, and this one is 2 ampere. Clear? And now plus minus, that is 20 volt. Our motto equivalent. First of our motto, this one is converted into voltage source. Okay. If I am saying voltage source means practical voltage source. Practical voltage source means voltage source with series impedance. Okay, that is practical voltage source, like this one, RTH and VTH. That is VTH. Clear or not? So first of all, this one converted into with the help of source transformation. If you convert it into source transformation, that is 2 ohm, and that is plus minus 4 into 2, that is 8 volt, and that is 2 ohm. Okay. Now this one plus minus 20 volt, and that is 4 ohm, and that is 6. That is 6. If this one is converted, minus plus 4 into 2, that is 12 volt. That is corresponding to V of AB. Okay. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, that is 12. That is 12 ohm. Finally, that is 12 ohm. Okay. Now, what about voltage? Minus 2 plus, minus 2 plus, minus 2 plus. So, these voltages are added. Okay. These voltages are added. No current flowing through this one. So, this one plus this one, that is 40 volt. What about plus minus? That is 40 volt. Okay. That is AB. Okay. This one is called RTH, and this one is called VTH. Clear or not? In both procedure, follow first method or second method, we got same result. Okay. So clear how can determine VTH and RTH with the help of source transformation or with the help of conventional method. Which method you feel comfortable, then follow it. Okay. Now next target. So first question is clear, this one or this one. Clear? Now next one, calculate the current RL. So first of all, corresponding to this one, that is 12 ohm, and VTH is 40 volt. Now next target is calculate the current in RL. Now after RL is connected, RL is if 8 ohm, then what about I? I is or IL is written 40 divided by 12 plus 8, that is 2 ampere. So what about IL? IL is 2 ampere. Clear or not? Second question is completed. Now third, find RL for maximum power delivered to RL. Find RL for maximum power delivered to RL. I know that. Corresponding to maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, question say for maximum power means PMT. Okay, maximum power transfer. Maximum power transfer only if a network corresponding to this one, and this is RL. Okay, I know that I have discussed if this one is represent plus minus like RTH and that is VTH, maximum power transfer only one case if RTH is equal to RL. So for PMT only VTH is equal to RL. I have already determined. In that case, what about RL? That is 12 ohm. Clear or not? So what about RL? That is 12 ohm. Very simple. Now next one, maximum power. So P max is written as VTH square divided by 4 RTH. So VTH is, that is 40 square, 40 into 40 divided by 4 into 12, that is 10. 100 divided by 3 watt, 100 by 3 watt. This is the final answer. Make it. If you face any problem, then tell me, sir, I face the problem corresponding to that. Please explain or not, whatever. Make it. First of all, make it. It is clear or not? Obtain the Thevenin's first of all question. Whatever the question say, first of all read the question very comfortably. Our motto determine Thevenin's equivalent across AB terminal. If question corresponding to say voltage across AB terminal, then first of all removing RL and whole circuit converted into RTH and VTH. Okay, whatever be the method, you will conventional method or you can say with the help of source transformation. Okay, we got like that one. After that, so first completed. Now second one is say calculate the current RL. If you connect in series with RL, because of RL is given like this one, so RL is connected here. After that IL is simply this voltage divided by total resistance. We got IL. Okay, so IL is 2 ampere. Now after that, corresponding to question once again, find IL for maximum power delivered to RL. Maximum power, in case of maximum power deliver means PMT, maximum power transfer to load only the which case, if RTH this equal to RL. If RTH this equal to RL, that means RL this equal to RTH. I have already done it, that is 12 ohm. So RL this equal to 12 ohm. Clear? Now next target is what about maximum power? Pmax I know that I have already done. Pmax this equal to VTH square divided by 4 RTH. So put this value and got the answer. Okay, clear or not? If you face the problem, then tell me, sir, I face the problem, and comment it. Okay, so make it. Find the value of RL for MPT, maximum power transfer, and also PL max. Okay, also determine PL max. Okay, it is clear. What is our motto? Okay, what is our motto? Clear or not? So how can determine? First of all, this circuit is converted like this one. This circuit is given like, clear or not? That is AB terminal, that is same. This one represent a network. So if this network represent like this one, then after that we got RL. Okay, basically our motto, we determine RTH. Okay, if you determine RTH, then RL is equal to RTH. And next target is Pmax, PL max. PL max means VTH divided by 4 RL or 4 RTH. So we have focus on VTH and RTH. So clear? What is the meaning of this one? That is compare. Now, so first I have determined, first of all, corresponding to AB, this terminal remove. Okay, after that is simply you can represent here, you can with the help of source transformation, or you can the nodal analysis or mesh analysis, whatever you follow method and determine VTH. Okay, I know that basically our motto, we are focused on with the help of source transformation. This is 12 and that is 6. With the help of source transformation, what about current? 12 divided by 6, that is 2 ampere. Clear? And this one represent corresponding to that terminal 6. If this one, that is 6 ohm. Okay, now here that is 3 ohm. Okay, and what about this current? That is 2 ampere. That is 2 ampere. Okay, that is 2 ampere, and that is 6, and that is 12. So this one is also represent here, that is 12 ohm. Okay, and that is 2 ampere. Always follow from into beginner, into beginning point, that is A and that is B. Clear? Now this and this both are parallel, so 6 into 12 divided by 18, 4 ohm. So this one make again 2 ampere, and this one is 4 ohm, and this one is 3 ohm, and this one is 2 ampere, and that is 2 ohm, that is A and B. Okay, once again with the help of source transformation, this one again like plus minus 2 into 4, 8 volt, and 4 ohm connect here, and this one is 3 ohm, and that is 2 ampere, and that is 2 ohm, that is A and that is B. Clear or not? If anyone faced doubt, then tell me, sir, I faced the problem corresponding to that reason. So please explain or not. Clear? 8 volt, polarity decided by current. Direction of current is upward, that's why upper plate positive and lower plate is negative. Now 4 plus 3, that is 7. 4 plus 3, that is 7. Okay, 4 plus 3, that is 7. So finally we make like that is 7 ohm, or you can represent like that is 7 ohm, and that is plus minus 8 volt, and here that is 2 ampere, and that is 2 ohm, that is A and that is B. After that you can this one convert into again with the help of source transformation. Direction of current 8 by 7 upward, and represent like this one, and this is 7 ohm, and that is 2 ampere, and that is 2 ohm, that is A and that is B. Okay, after that this circuit again 2 plus 8 by 7, that is current 2 plus 8 by 7, both are same direction, that's why 14 plus 8 by 7, we got 14 plus 8 by 7, that is 22 by 7, that is 22 by 7 ampere. Direction of current that is upward, and that is 7, and this one is 2 ohm. Okay, that is A and that is B. Now another way, again if multiply both, then we got 2 ohm, and this is 7 ohm, and that is plus minus 22 volt, that is A and that is B. So finally you can say that this circuit represent in the voltage source and current, voltage source and impedance. So this one represent like that is plus minus 22 volt, and that is 9 ohm, that is A and that is B. Okay, so this circuit represent finally like this one. Okay, I know that this whole scenario I have already say, if like network that is A and B, if represent VTH that is VTH, and that is RTH. So what about VTH? That is 22 volt. And what about RTH? That is 9 ohm. Clear or not? What about RTH? Simply, so basically our motto actually we follow, if all circuit with the help of source transformation converted into like that, okay, means this portion is represent is RTH and this one is VTH. Or you can say that, what about VTH? Voltage across this one is simply 22, that is VTH. If you determine RTH, then what about voltage source? That is 0, that is it means short circuit. What about V of AB? That is 9 volt. Resistance equivalent impedance equivalent resistance corresponding to AB is 9 ohm. So clear what I am saying? Clear or not? If you face problem, then tell me. Okay, first of all make it no, and after that, what about P max? P max, this will equal to VTH square 22 to the whole square divided by 4 into RTH, that is 9. Okay, so we got 22 to the whole square divided by 4 divided by 9, we got 13.44 watt. This is the final answer. Make it. After that we focus on another question. Determine maximum power that can be delivered to the variable resistance R in the circuit. Okay, so our motto, determine maximum corresponding to maximum power. So means our motto, determine RTH, okay, and also P max. So first of all remove it. First of all make, that is 60 volt, and this one 10 ohm, 25 ohm, 20 ohm and 5 ohm, and this is A and that is B. Okay, plus minus VTH. Our motto, determine VTH. How can determine VTH? First of all, this is an open circuit. After that we determine, we focus on VTH. So VTH, if you want to determine VTH, then you first of all determine current. Okay, now suppose that in this branch current is I1 and in this branch current is I2. Okay, what about I1? I1 this will equal to minus to plus. If any doubt, then follow procedure. Plus 10 I1 plus 20 I1, this will equal to 0. So I1 this will equal to 60 divided by 30, that is 2 ampere. Okay, now another way, 60 plus 25 I2 plus 5 I2, this will equal to 0. So I2 this will equal to 60 by 30. So sorry, same 2 ampere, that is 30, and this is also 30. So we got in both procedures current is 2 ampere. Now apply KVL in this loop. Minus VTH plus minus, direction plus minus. Okay, so minus to plus, minus 10 into what about current, that is 2, plus 25 into 2, this will equal to 0. So VTH this will equal to, that is minus 20 plus 50, this will equal to 30 volt. VTH this will equal to 30 volt. Clear or not? That is VTH. Our next target, determine RTH corresponding to V of AB. So if you determine RTH, then this one is open circuited, sorry, short circuited, means this one represent like that. Okay, so and this one, that is A and that is B, A and that is B. Okay, both are same potential, both are same potential, means that is A, that is B, A and this is B. Okay, this portion and this portion connect to each other, means that is 10 ohm and 20 ohm also. Okay, suppose that is C, then this is also C. Okay, C connect to B 5 ohm, that is 5 ohm, and this one is connected 25 ohm. Okay, this one and this one are parallel, so 20 parallel to 10 divided by 30, and this is 25 into 5 divided by 30. Okay, this one cancel out, and okay, and both this one and this one are series, so R of TH this is equal to 20 by 3 plus 25 by 6. Okay, 20 by 6 is written as 6.25, and 20 by 3, that is 6.25 plus 6.67. Okay, so 6.25 plus 6.67 is written as 12.9. okay, that is 12.92. This is the RTH. Okay, this is RTH. First of all, clear or not? 20 and 200 divided by 3, so it is clear. 20 by 3 is 6.67, clear. Now after that, 25 into 5 divided by 30, so 25 into 5 like this one divided by 30, we got 6, that is 24 divided by 6, that is that is 4.16, we got 10.3, you can say that, plus 6.25, that is 10.41. okay, that is 4.41. okay, 20 divided by 3, that is 6.67. Now 20 by 3 is 6.67 plus, that is 4.25 divided by 6, that is 4.16, and we got 6.67, that is finally 10.83 ohm, that is RTH. okay, now so finally this circuit is converted like plus minus. RTH is 10.83 ohm and VTH is written as, what about VTH, that is 30 volt. Very simple. Okay, that is A and that is B. So determine maximum power that can be delivered to the variable resistance. Okay, maximum power P max, VTH square divided by 4 RTH. So 30 into 30 divided by 4 into 10.83. So 330 into 30, like this one divided by 4, like this one divided by 10.83, we got 20.77 watt is the final answer. Okay, and what about RL corresponding to maximum power? That is 10.83 ohm. So make it. Okay, if you face any problem, then comment it, sir, I face a problem corresponding to that line or whatever. If we, time is also mentioned. If you watch video after, when not live, then comment it corresponding to time. If you face the problem at that time, what your statement, then I will read after that, explain it and in comment. Okay, so make it.